Hello guys. Welcome back to Brandaoz. Today, Brandaoz will teach you how to use ripple and rolling edit tools on Adobe Premiere Pro CC. First of all, open your Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's start the video. Click the mouse right button. Click Import. Select these videos. Click OK. You can see these videos are imported. The first video grab and drop into the timeline. The second video grab and dropped into the timeline. The third video grab and dropped into the timeline. You can see this mouse arrow go to the center of videos. Automatic show trim. Trim video on the left side. You can see two thumbnails. The first video trimmed. It is not attached to the second video automatically to the first video. Back trim to the right side. How to automatically attach the second video to the first video. How is it possible? Yes, possible. Click the ripple edit. Trim the first video into the left side. Second videos are automatically attached to the first video. Trim the second video into the left side. The third video is automatically attached to the second video. Click the rolling edit tool. Select the first thumbnail. Click the mouse left button and roll the right side. You can see the first video length long. So this was the way to use ripple and rolling edit tools on Adobe Premiere Pro CC. Hit subscribe and ask any questions in the comment section below. See you in the next video.